Um, I am Josh Angelo C. Reyes. So, for today's topic is anti-drug campaign. What are drugs? Drugs are substances that affect how the body and mind work. While some are used medically, illegal drugs can cause serious harm, addiction, and even death. They trick the brain into feeling pressure, but at the dose, cause of health, family, and future. Kinds of drugs. There are different types of harmful drugs. Number 1. Marijuana, a plant-based drug that affects memory and coordination. Number 2. Metape- Methamphetamine, shabu, highly addictive stimulant causing aggression and hallucinations. Number 3. Cocaine, a fast-acting stimulant that damage affect the heart and brain. Number 4. Ecstasy, a synthetic drug causing emotional and physical side effects. Each of these drugs leads to physical, emotional, and social destruction. Short-term effects of drugs. Drugs may provide temporary pleasure, but they immediately damage the body and mind. Short-term effects include 1. Loss of control, loss of self-control. Number 2. Increased risk of accidents and violence. Number 3. Sudden mood swings and paranoia. These effects can occur even after or one use. Long-term effects of drugs. Continued drug use has devastating long-term consequences. Number 1. Permanent brain and heart damage. Number 2. Serious mental health issues like depression and anxiety. Number 3. Broken relationship with families and friends. Number 4. Loss of career opportunities. Number 5. Early death. The longer the use, the harder it is to recover. The impact on families and societies. Drug addictions affects not only the users but also their loved ones. Families are torn apart by mistrust, financial problems, and emotional pain. Communities suffer from increased crime, violence, and lost potential. The cost of drugs abuse is paid by everyone. Life without drugs. Choosing a life free from drugs means choosing health, happiness, and freedom. It means having control over your dreams, building a strong relationship, and reaching your full potential. A drug free life is a future full of possibilities. So, my final message is the power to choose is in your hands. Say no to temporary pleasures that lead to permanent damage. Say yes to a future full of hope, health, and happiness. Stay drug free and stay strong. So, thank you, and that's all.